Hi all, welcome to Shapers Learning Academy. Yes, this is yet another YouTube channel. And our objective is to simplify education. So humans have multiple experiences in life, and one of the best experience which a human can encounter with is education, getting educated. The objective, our core objective is to simplify and make this education process a happy process. Hope we get a good chance and opportunity to work for better. Thank you. Hey guys, so today let's discuss a simple concept in physics. A simple but a very powerful concept. Motion. Everything in this universe is on motion. The motion can be defined as a displacement of the object from position A to position B. As I told you, everything in this universe is on motion. And when the motion stops, the universe and the life becomes standstill. So let's understand certain basic laws of motion. Scientist Newton has actually given or devised the 3 laws of motion, which are really interesting to study for. So the Newton's first law of motion. An object remains in rests or it remains in motion unless and until a force of equal magnitude changes its position. An object, a tennis ball, an object remains in a stationary position or keeps on in motion unless and until a force of equal magnitude disturbs its position. One interesting story here. This we call it as tennis ball in India. In most of the states, we call this as tennis ball, but we play cricket out of it. So that's the irony. So this is a tennis ball, but we play cricket out of this. So again, coming back to Newton's first law, object remains in stationary position or keeps on moving unless and until a force of equal magnitude stops it or disturbs it. So coming to the second law of motion, second Newton's law of motion. Force. Force is nothing but the energy. Force is nothing but the energy with which an object tends to get into motion. In simple words, force is defined as the energy which, when exerted on an object, the object starts moving. So the force, if you would like to calculate force is nothing but the product of mass and acceleration. When I say product, the multiplied value. Force is the product of mass and acceleration. When you speak about mass, so how do you define mass? Mass is the quantity of matter of any object. So when you consider, when someone says that a particular person X is 50 kgs of weight, 50 kilograms of weight, it means that he has a mass worth 50 kilograms. And what is acceleration? Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. What is velocity? Velocity is the rate of change of displacement of an object. When a ball travels at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour, so that's a velocity. And the rate of change of velocity is nothing but the acceleration. So the force is nothing but mass into acceleration. This is Newton's law number 2. And the third and interesting law. For each and every object, for each and every action on an object, there is an equivalent and opposite reaction of same magnitude in the direction opposite. Something like this. When you spread peace, when you spread love, when you spread affection, the affection comes back to you. You help an individual. You help an individual who is in need of certain help, and you see the same help comes back to you of equal magnitude or sometimes higher than that. But as far as Newton's third law is concerned, for each and every action on an object, there is an equal and opposite reaction of the same magnitude. So this Newton's third law, again summarizing the three laws. Newton's first law states that a force, an object remains in stationary position or it remains in motion unless and until a force of equal magnitude disturbs it. Newton's second law states that the force is nothing but the product of mass into acceleration. Newton's third law states that for each and every action, there's an opposite and equivalent reaction. See, this is how, physics is an interesting subject. Let's learn more. Thank you.